Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making a hair growth spray which will help you fight hair loss and it will give you extreme hair growth. For this you will need rosemary leaves, 3 to 4 cloves, ylang and hibiscus flower. Let's begin. I am taking fresh rosemary leaves from my plant, but अगर आपके पास rosemary plant घर पे available नहीं है, so it's okay, don't worry. आप rosemary leaves को Amazon से भी order कर सकते हैं. It works amazing as well. मैं उसका link description box में डाल दूंगी. अब आप अच्छे से अपनी लीव्स को वॉश कर लें, हिबिस्कस फ्लावर को भी वॉश कर लें बिकॉज ऑफ द डर्ट प्रेजेंट इन इट. Rosemary has been clinically shown to increase hair growth similar to minoxidil and it provides oxygen to the hair follicles. इसलिए rosemary आपके बालों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. अब आपको क्या करना है, 3 मिलीलीटर ऑफ वाटर एक पैन में लेना है. Once it starts boiling, transfer the rosemary hibiscus into the water, bring the heat to medium and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Hibiscus also stimulates hair growth, avoids premature graying of hair and makes your hair shiny. अब आपको 3 से 4 क्लोव्स या लौंग इस पानी में ऐड करनी है. अच्छे से उसे स्टर कर लें एंड देन लेट इट बॉयल फॉर अनदर 5 मिनट्स. Now let it cool down for 30 to 40 minutes. Once the mix is cool, transfer the water into a spray bottle. Now your hair growth spray is ready to use. You can use this water for 1 to 2 weeks, but store it in the refrigerator. Use it directly on your scalp and massage it in. You can keep it overnight or you can just leave it in your hair as it does not make your hair oily or greasy. Otherwise, just apply it 20 minutes before washing your hair. Rosemary can dry your hair, so don't use it more than 3 times a week, especially if you have dry hair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.